keep it to the left. She wanna throw it back, just keep it to the left. You wanna, yeah, keep it to the left. Yeah, keep it to the left. She wanna throw it back and love it, keep it well. She wanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this, I was about to say this episode, oh my god. For this video, I'm gonna be making a Pinterest vision / inspo board. So this is what my old lock screen looks like. So I think I made this over a year ago, a little over a year ago. And this just has some of the old manifestations I want and just some old things I thought were cute. The new one, y'all gonna see. The new one's just gonna look just like this one. The new one's gonna look exactly like this one. Just different pictures, slightly different colors, yada, yada, yada. All that. So y'all just gonna have to see. And I've seen these are really popular early this 2020, so I decided to go ahead and make a lock screen version for you guys, because not everyone is gonna go ahead and make a literal board. So lock screen's easier, you're always on your phone anyways. So first I'm gonna go ahead into my style board, and I'm just gonna pick some pictures of things that I really like, things I think are cute, and then later in the video I'm gonna eventually add pictures of people that inspire me, and then of things I want to manifest into my life. So later I'm going to add things like cars I want later in my life, you know, my dream apartment. I'm going to put, I think I'm going to have like Netflix, a Netflix logo, Hulu logo. I'm trying to manifest some auditions for some shows this year. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And it's going to be sped up too, because y'all, we ain't going to be here for an hour. Like I was taking forever, y'all. I was taking way too long. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up, and y'all can just see how it comes out.
Big bad woods I roll, big bad woods I smoke, big bad woods I roll, big bad woods I smoke, big bad woods I roll, big bad woods I roll. We are trap I know, we are 4 big bad woods I roll, 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 big bad woods I roll. Big bad woods like whoa, yeah. Cash grab, I'm on go, yeah. Know that I gotta get it on the road, yeah. Young Scotty gotta get it from the road, yeah. Hop out the wheels, we gon' ride out. Show them wanna jump up in my ride out. But she wanna fuck me with the lights out. But it really ain't no difference with my eyes out. Yeah, you know I'm gon' shine out. Niggas hate it, said I wouldn't grind now. Fucking with my niggas, they gon' ride out. Shorty fucking with me, loving my sound. All they could be bitches want a pipe now. Made a jaw lock up, she can't bite down. And the gas got me hot in a kite now. Now you need that shit like right now. Bit out trap, I know. Bit out 4 Big bad woods I roll. Big bad woods I smoke. Big bad woods I roll. Big bad woods I smoke. Big bad woods I roll, big bad woods I roll. Big out trap I know, we are 4 big bad woods I roll, 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 big bad woods I roll.
Okay, now I'm just gonna go into Pic Collage and start to put all the pictures together.
backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I smoke. Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I roll. Big out the trap I know. We are 4 Big backwoods I roll. 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 Big backwoods like whoa, yeah. Cash grab, I'm on go, yeah. Know that I gotta get it on the road, yeah. Young Scotty gotta get it from the road, yeah. Hop out the wheels, we gon' ride out. Show them wanna jump up in my ride now. But she wanna fuck me with the lights out. But it really ain't no difference with my eyes out. Yeah, you know I'm gon' shine out. Niggas hate it, said I wouldn't grind now. Fucking with my niggas, they gon' ride out. Shorty fucking with me, loving my sound. All they could be bitches want a pipe now. Made a jaw lock up, she can't bite down. And the gas got me hot in the kite now. Now you need that shit like right now. Get out the trap, I know. Get out 4 right forward. Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I smoke. Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I smoke. Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I roll. Get out the trap, I know. We are 4 Big backwoods I roll. 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 Get out the trap, I know. Get out 4 Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I smoke. Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I smoke. Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I roll. Get out the trap, I know. We are 4 Big backwoods I roll. 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 Big backwoods like whoa, yeah. Cash grab, I'm on go, yeah. Know that I gotta get it on the road, yeah. Young Scotty gotta get it from the road, yeah. Hop out the wheels, we gon' ride out. Show them wanna jump up in my ride now. But she wanna fuck me with the lights out. But it really ain't no difference with my eyes out. Yeah, you know I'm gon' shine out. Niggas hate it, said I wouldn't grind now. Fucking with my niggas, they gon' ride out. Shorty fucking with me, loving my sound. All they could be bitches want a pipe now. Made a jaw lock up, she can't bite down. And the gas got me hot in the kite now. Now you need that shit like right now. Get out the trap, I know. Get out 4 right forward. Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I smoke. Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I smoke. Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I roll. Get out the trap, I know. We are 4 Big backwoods I roll. 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 Get out the trap, I know. Get out 4 Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I smoke. Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I smoke. Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I roll. Get out the trap, I know. We are 4 Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I roll. Big backwoods I roll. Big roll. Big backwoods like roll. Big backwoods like roll. Big backwoods like whoa, yeah. Cash grab, I'm on go, yeah. Know that I gotta get it on the road, yeah. Young Scotty gotta get it from the road, yeah. Hop out the woods, we gon' ride out. Show them wanna jump up in my ride now. But she wanna fuck me with the lights out. But it really ain't no difference with my eyes out. Yeah, you know I'm gon' shine out. Niggas hate it, said I wouldn't grind now. Fucking with my niggas, they gon' ride out. Shorty fucking with me, loving my sound. All they could be bitches want a pipe now. Made a jaw lock up, she can't bite down. And the gas got me hot in the kite now. Now you need that shit like right now. Get out the trap, I know. Get out four like fours. Big bad woods like rolls. 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 Get out the trap, I know.
So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like the way this came out. Like I said, it kind of looks like the last one. It's like the same colors, everything. But you know what? This new one is cute. This new one looks better to me. So hopefully you guys recreate it. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends, hit that little bell thingy we need to do. Do all that so y'all are notified when I post.